Watch closely. A man takes his girlfriend's old pair of jeans. He feeds them into a paper shredder. In seconds, the jeans are cut into strips of fabric. Then he puts those strips into another machine to shred them even further. What exactly is he trying to do? The shredded fabric is twisted into threads. With the help of a machine, the threads are spun into yarn. After a few skilled steps, he quickly creates a ball of cotton yarn. Next, the yarn is cleaned using an ultrasonic machine. Once washed, 3 balls of yarn are tied together. They are then soaked in a mild acidic solution. After the reaction, the yarn turns completely white. The yarn is dried thoroughly. Then it's placed on a hand crank loom to weave. The weaving creates a tube-shaped fabric piece. That piece is then dyed into a new color. It's carefully inserted into a circular mold. Unfinished denim pieces are also stuffed inside. When filled, the opening is tightened. The cotton inside is evenly spread out. A woven piece is placed right in the center. The 2 ends of the woven section are tied together. A round mold is placed on top. Melted plastic is poured into the mold. A small logo is